Hi, I'm Shelley Kraft and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the Sachs Associates 6th Annual European Life Sciences CEO Forum 2013 here in Zurich, Switzerland. I have with me Professor Dr. Michael Jordan of Magic Race LLC, a private company. Welcome back to SNNLive.
Hello Shelley, thank you for having me back.
It's good to have you.
I'm glad to be here again.
Well, last time we were in San Francisco, right?
Yeah, we met in San Francisco in January.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get an update. Please tell us all about Magic Race, currently what's going on.
Well, Magic Race is a private-held company that builds a medical technology for rehabilitation of pelvic floor and other muscles in the body. And I was looking for investors and for other companies that are interested in joining with me in this nice adventure. In the meantime, I found a company that will most probably distribute the systems throughout the United States. I'm not very far from being approved for leasing in the United States, and I started re-engineering the system, so very soon there will be big news and a great restart.
How does it work?
The XME technology, called extracorporeal magnetic innervation, works through a pulsed magnetic field that penetrates into the body up to 7.5 centimeters deep, stimulating nerves through the nerves, contracting muscles or rehabilitating muscles, increasing the blood flow. So you can treat a lot of problems with my neo-control chair in the pelvic floor, like incontinence after radical prostatectomy, erectile dysfunction, hemorrhoids, rehabilitation after delivery. With my table, low back pain. With a free head, you can treat joints, muscle rehabilitation after surgery. It goes through the cast, so it's the only system that goes through the cast and preventing atrophy through the cast.
When you say treatment, are we talking about a long-term treatment, a short-term treatment? How does it work on the treatment basis?
Well, a session usually takes 20 minutes, and you have different frequencies depending on how you want to develop in the muscle or in the nerves or through the blood flow. And you have in a 20-minute session 18,000 muscle contractions. There's nothing that goes that deep. All the so-called competition goes 1.2 centimeter, we get 7.5.
So let's talk about incontinence. What's the treatment currently, and what's this do to that improved treatment?
Well, incontinence in the conservative phase that doesn't need or doesn't require surgery, existing is gymnastics. You need to train 2 hours a day. Nobody does that. Or there is the electrostimulation of biofeedback with electrical probes that you put intravaginally or intrarectally 2 times every day, 20 minutes for at least 6 months. The XME therapy allows you to sit fully dressed in a chair 2 times or 3 times a week for 20 times.
That's quite an improvement. So after the treatment is finished, what percentage have you been treated as towards a cure?
Well, depending on the patient, of course, we have improvements between 20% and 100%. So all the range in between, because the treatment depends on the patient, not on the technology itself.
And this is coming soon into doctors' offices in the United States, correct? Because we have a large North American audience. Where will it be first? And give us the order of countries, because believe it or not, I think incontinence is a huge product right in and of itself.
About 30% of United States population have an incontinence problem, so the population that requires this treatment is huge. Actually, the technology is on the market since 14 years. There are about 300 locations in the United States who already own such a system. According to my knowledge from the old owners that mismanaged the company, actually most of them are inactive at the moment, and this is our challenge and my challenge to put these systems back to work and help people.
Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Dr. Michael Jordan of Magic Race LLC. What is your website?
The website is www.neocontrol.de.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Sachs Associates 6th Annual European Life Science CEO Forum 2013 in Zurich, Switzerland. Thank you for coming back on to SNNLive. Good to see you.
Thank you, Shelley.
You're welcome.
Thank you.